Next, question number 4. The given part is O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Segment AB and segment AC are tangent segments. Segment AB and segment AC are tangent segment. Radius of the circle is R, small letter, and length AB is also equal to R. So we have to prove quadrilateral ABOC is a square. Quadrilateral ABOC, this quadrilateral is square. Okay. Now students, here radius of the circle is given R. So in this figure, which segments are the radius? OB and OC. And as we know that radii of the same circle are always equal. So OB is equal to OC. These are radii of the circle which is given R. Okay. Here length AB is equal to R. Length AB is given R. But AB and AC are the tangent segments of the circle, and we proved tangent segment theorem that tangent segments drawn from external point to the circle are always equal. That means AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So if AB is R, AC is also R. Now here you can see that all sides of quadrilateral ABOC have length R. So length of all the four sides is equal. That means this is rhombus. So in 9th standard we studied that also in quadrilateral lesson. A quadrilateral having all sides equal in length is called as rhombus. So ABOC is rhombus. Now, in this rhombus, angle ABO is 90 degree. Why? Because AB is the tangent segment and OB is the radius drawn from point of contact. So by tangent theorem, angle ABO is 90 degree. Okay. Angle ACO is also 90 degree because AC is tangent segment. Now in this rhombus, opposite angles we got 90 degree, 90 degree. We know the property of rhombus. Opposite angles are congruent. So the remaining opposite angles, angle A and angle O, also congruent. These two angles also congruent. See, the sum of these two opposite angles, 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. And sum of these two opposite angles is also 180. Why? Because sum of measure of all four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. Out of that, the sum of these two measures is 180 degree. So the sum of these remaining two angles is also 180 degree and both are equal. So if sum is 180 and both are equal, each angle is 90 degree. So we got angle A and angle O, both are 90 degree. So in this quadrilateral, all four sides are equal in length and each angle is 90 degree. So this is square. So this way we proved quadrilateral ABOC is a square. First we proved it is rhombus. Then we got each angle is 90 degree. So that it is square. Followed? So let us write proof. in a circle with center O, in the circle with center O, OB equal to OC equal to R. Give your statement number 1 and reason. Radii of the same circle. Okay. Then AB equal to AC. Reason, tangent segment theorem. Tangent segment theorem. But length AB equal to R. Reason given. Therefore, AB equal to AC equal to R. Because AB, AC equal, AB R, so AC is also R. Give your statement number 2. Okay. So, therefore, in quadrilateral ABOC, all 4 sides we got equal in length. OB equal to OC equal to AB equal to AC. Reason we can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Therefore, quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus. First we proved it a rhombus. Now we find each angle is 90 degree. First we write for these angles. Angle OBA equal to angle OCA equal to 90 degree. Reason, tangent theorem. Okay. Now sum of all the 4 angles is 360 degree. Angle OBA plus angle OCA plus angle BAC plus BOC. BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 360 degree. Now first 2 angles we got 90 degree. 90 plus 90 plus angle BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Plus angle BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these 2 opposite angles is 180 degree. But angle BAC is equal to angle BOC. The reason is opposite angles of rhombus. See, The sum of measure of these two angles is 180 degree, but both are equal. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, half of 180 is 90 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus and each angle of quadrilateral ABOC is 90 degree, and therefore quadrilateral ABOC is a square. All sides equal in length and each angle is 90.